हाँ जी बेटा, अज असी नैक्सट एक थ्योरम करांगे। स्टेटमेंट इज इफ लिमिट एक्स अप्रोचेस टू ए एफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू 0, इफ लिमिट ऑफ द फंक्शन एफ एक्स at a point a is 0 and there is another function gx, there is another function gx which is bounded function in deleted neighborhood of a, then limit x approaches to a f x into gx is equal to 0. Fx is a function whose limit is 0 when x approaches to a, and gx is another function which is bounded function in deleted neighborhood of a. Then the limit of the function fx into gx when x will approach to a is equal to 0. Now because gx is bounded, देखो बाउंडेड फंक्शन दा बाउंडेड फंक्शन की हुंदा कि जिस फंक्शन दी अगर कोई मिनिमम वैल्यू भी है तो मैक्सिमम वैल्यू भी है, दैन उस फंक्शन को असीं बोलांगे बाउंडेड फंक्शन. फॉर एग्जांपल, like sine theta always lies between -1 and +1 for all theta. So we can say that sine theta is a bounded function. So we can write it as modulus of sine theta is less than equal to 1. And similarly अगर तुहाडे कोल कोई फंक्शन है fx is a function जिदी वैल्यू -10 to, suppose for example it lies between -10 to 20 for all x belongs to its domain, it means fx is a bounded function. So bounded function we can also write it as fx less than equal to 20 greater than equal to -10. -10 can be written as greater than -20. So we can write it as value of fx lies between -20 to +20. So from this we can write it as modulus of fx less than equal to 20. Modulus of fx less than equal to 20. So if fx or there is some function which is bounded, then we can write it as modulus of that function is less than equal to some number. It can be 20, it can be 200, it can be 2000 and so on. So here it is given that gx is a bounded function. It means कोई इदां दा नंबर होएगा such that modulus of gx is less than equal to some that number in the deleted neighborhood of a. It is also given that gx is bounded in deleted neighborhood of a. We have already discussed deleted neighborhood of a, meaning of deleted neighborhood of a. Now I am going to start the proof of the theorem. Since gx is bounded in deleted neighborhood of a, so there exists a number m which is greater than 0, a real number, such that modulus of gx is less than equal to m for all x belongs to deleted neighborhood of A. and we know that we will write it as 0 less than modulus of x minus a less than some number delta 1 or delta 2 or delta. Also it is given that, say this is number 1. Also limit x approaches to a fx is equal to 0. So therefore by using definition, therefore for a given epsilon greater than 0 there exists a number delta 2 such that modulus of fx minus 0 minus L less than epsilon for 0 less than in deleted neighborhood of A. Now student इसे epsilon let करना या epsilon into something या epsilon over something, that we will decide it later. Now this result will hold when in this deleted neighborhood of A, and this inequality hold in this deleted neighborhood of A. As we earlier discussed in theorem कि अगर डेल्टा 1 की वैल्यू 0.1 फॉर एग्जांपल एंड ए तुहाडे कोल कोई नंबर है, इफ डेल्टा 1 इज इक्वल टू 0.1 then this is a minus delta, this is a minus delta 1, this is a plus delta 1. And similarly if delta 2 is equal to 0.2, then this will be the a plus delta, a minus delta 2, and this will be the a plus delta 2. First inequality hold in this domain, in this interval, and the second hold in this interval. Then both simultaneously अगर असी गल करिए both the inequalities will hold in common. Common is what? This one. So a वाला a minus delta 1 a plus delta 1 क्यों आया? क्योंकि delta 1 छोटा सी, अगर delta 2 तुहाडे कोल छोटा नंबर हुंदा then both inequalities will hold in a minus delta 2 comma a plus delta 2. सो जो भी इन्हां दोनों दे विचों मिनिमम नंबर होएगा, बोथ दी इनइक्वालिटीज विल होल्ड इन द डिलीटेड नेबरहुड ऑफ दैट नेबरहुड ऑफ ए. सो वी विल टेक हियर लेट डेल्टा इज इक्वल टू मिनिमम फ्रॉम डेल्टा 1 एंड डेल्टा 2. Now we can say that therefore modulus of fx means this one less than epsilon, and modulus of gx is less than equal to m for 0 less than x minus a less than delta. So both the inequalities will hold in this related neighborhood of A. Now we are to show that limit of this function is equal to L. So we will consider now in this neighborhood, we will consider this related neighborhood. For this neighborhood, related neighborhood, now consider fx into gx minus L, which is equal to modulus of fx into gx, which is equal to modulus of fx into modulus of gx. We know that modulus of fx is less than epsilon and modulus of gx is less than equal to m. Now this is m into epsilon. So student, जितना कि epsilon is arbitrary, we can take any number according to our requirement. So अगर मैं इथे epsilon नू रिप्लेस कर दें epsilon over m नाल, then m will cancel with this m. So I will write it here epsilon over m, means here I will take epsilon over m. So cancel m. So therefore we will get modulus of fx into gx is less than m for this related neighborhood of a. So therefore modulus of fx into gx minus 0 less than epsilon for 0 less than modulus of x minus a less than delta. Hence we can say that limit x approaches to a, fx into gx is equal to 0. Now student, उन्हें बेस्ड ਆਪਾਂ कुछ एग्जांपल्स करांगे. For example, we are to prove that limit x approaches to 0 x into sine 1 over x. Now compare this result, this question with the limit x approaches to 0 a fx into gx. We are to prove that using definition limit x approaches to 0 x into sine 1 over x is equal to 0. स्टूडेंट ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਦੇ क्वेश्चन बेटा ਤੁਸੀਂ +2 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਕੀਤੇ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ, ਲੇਕਿन +1 ਜਦੋਂ +1 +2 ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀਤੇ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ ਤਾਂ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਟ ਸੋਲਵ ਕੀਤੇ ਸੀ, ਲੇਕਿन ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਨੇ ਨੇ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਸੋਲਵ ਬਾय ਡੈਫੀਨੇਸ਼ਨ. ਤੇ ਲਾਸਟ ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪ੍ਰੀਵੀਅਸ ਕਲਾਸਿਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਸੋਲਵ ਕੀਤੇ ਸੀ, ਦੇਖੋ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕੰਪੇਅਰ ਕਰੋ ਇਸ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਪ੍ਰੀਵੀਅਸ ਥਿਓਰਮ ਨਾਲ. ਹੇਅਰ a is 0, we can take fx is equal to x and gx is equal to sine 1 over x. Clearly if fx is equal to x, ਤੁਸੀਂ +1 ਚ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ ਇਹਨੂੰ by taking fx is equal to x and gx is equal to sine 1 over x. तो उत्थे असी कीता सी as limit x approaches to a fx which is clearly limit x approaches to 0 x which is 0. fx limit of function fx is equal to 0 when x is approaches to a is what 0. And clearly gx is bounded function, gx sine 1 over x is bounded function. In deleted neighborhood of x is equal to 0. Deleted word जरूरी है because अगर असी x is equal to 0 की गल करिए, at x is equal to 0 sine 1 over x is not defined. Because we are working on limit means x approaches to 0. As we know that if x will approach to 0, x can never be equal to 0. x कदे 0 नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि लिमिट दे विच असी x can never be equal to a. So x cannot be equal to 0. So sine 1 over x is defined, is bounded function. Sine theta is bounded in a deleted neighborhood of x is equal to 0. अगर असी deleted neighborhood word remove कर दिए then we can't say that कि sine 1 over x is bounded. Okay, so because we are discussing deleted neighborhood of x is equal to 0, now we can say that sine 1 over x is bounded. Therefore by previous theorem limit of this function fx is equal to 0 and gx is bounded. Therefore limit x approaches to a fx into gx is equal to 0. ये बेटा तुसी +1 +2 च कीता होया, लिमिट च भी कीता होया, +1 च लिमिट च ते +2 च तुहाडे कोल कंटिन्यूटी तुसी कीती सी तो +2 च भी तुसी ये क्वेश्चन कर रखिया. Now we will solve same question by definition. Now first of all we will consider deleted neighborhood of 0. Now let delta greater than 0 be a small real number such that 0 less than x minus 0 less than delta means 0 less than modulus of x less than delta. Now consider modulus of fx minus L. Fx is what? X into sine 1 over x. Here we will consider fx is x into sine 1 over x. क्योंकि इसकी बाय डेफिनेशन कर रहे हैं तो दो डिफरेंट फंक्शन नहीं कंसिडर करांगे. Now x into sine 1 over x, L is what? 0. Now this is modulus of x into sine 1 over x, which is equal to modulus of x into modulus of sine 1 over x. Modulus of x is less than delta and modulus of sine x is less than equal to 1. So therefore this is equal to delta and take this delta is equal to epsilon, because delta is depending upon epsilon. Now therefore fx minus L less than epsilon for 0 less than modulus x less than delta. Delta is what? Epsilon. Means x into sine 1 over x minus 0 less than epsilon. For 0 less than modulus x less than epsilon. Therefore we can say that limit x approaches to 0, x into sine 1 over x is equal to 0. So बेटा इत्थे तुहाडे कोल साइन दी जगह ते तुहाडे कोल cos 1 over x भी आ सकदा. In that case proof will be same. तो तुसी इत्थे cos लिख देना, cos ना रिप्लेस कर देना साइन नू, and this is cos 1 over x, its modulus is less than 1. ठीक है. इस क्वेश्चन दे विच x दी जगह ते x स्क्वायर भी आ सकदा. अगर x स्क्वायर भी है then no problem. Here x square this will be less than delta square. Delta square is less than delta, तो फिर इथे इक्वल टू नहीं आएगा, less than delta आएगा. Modulus of x square will be less than delta square, and delta square because delta is very very small, so delta square will be less than delta. Take that delta is equal to epsilon. ओके. सो ऑलमोस्ट बेटा प्रूफ सेम आ. एक होर क्वेश्चन मैं इहदे नाल दा तुहानू करा देना. ऑलमोस्ट सेम क्वेश्चन आ. इत्थे तुहाडे कोल 0 सी. नाउ वी आर टू प्रूव दैट लिमिट x अप्रोचेस टू c x माइनस c होल स्क्वायर साइन इंटू 1 या cos of 1 over x minus c is equal to 0. We are to prove that this one using definition. Now once again same. जदों भी असी लिमिट का क्वेश्चन करना, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल टेक डिलीटेड नेबरहुड ऑफ c. ओके. फॉर दैट लेट डेल्टा ग्रेटर देन 0 बी ए रियल नंबर. मैं शॉर्टकट करांगा थोड़ा जा. सच दैट 0 less than modulus of x minus c less than delta. Now consider modulus of fx minus L x minus c whole square into cos of 1 over x minus c minus 0. L is what? 0. So which is equal to x minus c whole square into cos 1 over x minus c, which is equal to modulus of x minus c whole square into modulus of cos of 1 over x minus c. Clearly this cos theta is less than equal to 1 in the deleted neighborhood of c, and x minus c, modulus of x minus c less than delta, therefore modulus of x minus c whole square will be less than delta square into 1. and we know that delta is very very small, so delta square will be less than delta. Take this delta is equal to epsilon. So therefore we can say that modulus of fx minus L is less than epsilon for whenever 0 less than modulus of x minus c less than delta. Delta is what? Epsilon. Means x minus c whole square into cos of 1 over x minus c minus 0 less than epsilon for 0 less than x minus c less than delta. Means limit x approaches to c, x minus c whole square into cos of 1 over x minus c is equal to 0. So बेटा इस आर्टिकल दे बेस तुसी क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने ने, ते अगर तुहाडा कोई डाउट है दैन यू कैन सेंड मी ऑन व्हाट्सएप. कल नूं असीं नैक्सट थ्योरम करांगे एंड उहदे बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस करांगे. ओके.